Guys, KidMar95 here, bringing you another episode. In today's episode, folks, we have a technical analysis on Polymath, currently down about 6%, in USD value down about almost 5%, and BTC value sitting at 5,244 Satoshis. But really quick though, folks, before we do that, let's go ahead and run through the market. Market cap sitting at 394 billion. Today's volume is 39 billion. Bitcoin dominance sitting at 39.4. Most of these coins are making a retracement. I was just looking at Ripple. Ripple's the one that caught me off guard. If you look at, I was looking on my phone because I'm trading it through the foreign exchange. It had like a flash crash from, because I haven't looked at any of the other charts, just on the one on my phone. But it had like a flash crash from 91 cents all the way down to 50. I was just like, what the heck happened last night? But Ripple down about 12% for the day, folks. EOS, I believe, one of the only few coins that is up. Tron up as well. Who are the big winners today? Let's see. Decred up 17, Mixing up 13, Ontology up 13, Storm up 8. Tron up 6, EOS up 3, Electronium up 3. But you folks came here for some Polymath. Really quick major exchanges. Bittrex, Upbit, Qcoin looks like are the pretty much the only major exchanges there. Market cap sitting at 115 million. Today's volume is 4.3 million. Circulating supply 239 million. Total supply 1 billion. Really quick though, folks, go ahead and look at Bitcoin. Price is looking bearish, a little bearish. Go ahead and switch over to the 4 hours, see what the 4 hours showing us. So I think this is where we hold. It did take us a while. As you could tell, we were stuck in this nice little ascending triangle. Finally broke out of the 9,000. I think this is us just coming back down to test it for support. We should be holding here, but again, don't wait for a 4-hour confirmation before you decide to take any position. I'm looking to buy again once we break and close above 9,700. And then once we do find support either at 9,000 or if we don't hold at this level, next target is going to be 8,450, about, not 400 I wouldn't say, I'd say 800, yeah, 8,500 to 8,550. Go ahead and take out my horizontal line. I'd say about here actually. So if we don't hold at this level, folks, expect this to come down to about 8,500 and we'll see how we do here. Or, people could panic and we could, sell off again. We zoom out, or yeah, if we go back to the daily, last time we were at this price, we did come back down to about 8,120, so we could be getting the same thing. Who knows, momentum shifting towards the downside. Just be patient, folks, don't rush into anything. Let's go ahead and take a look at Ethereum. Wow, Ethereum took a nice little drop too. Went all the way from 711 all the way down to 604. Geez, that's a nice drop. Still looks like it wants to go too. No rooms are slowing down just yet. I think Ethereum actually might come down to about 550, find support here, and then head towards the upside. Dang, Litecoin took a pretty big hit too. We hit resistance at 166, all the way down to 143. I'm actually expecting Litecoin to probably come back down to about 135, come to this level, and then bounce towards the upside. Momentum definitely still shifting towards the downside. So we did get that sell-off that people were talking about. But you folks came here for some Poly to Bitcoin. This is the 4 hours since they don't have too much information. So they were stuck in this nice little channel. They actually broke out of this. And whatever's causing this sell-off is causing this to follow. But now we're stuck in this nice little wedge coming down. So what am I expecting here from Polymath? We're currently sitting at about 5,250 Satoshis. I'm actually expecting this to come all the way down to about 5,000. And then once we get to this level, form a nice little bottom here. It'd be a double bottom, bottom 1, bottom 2. And from here, we head towards the upside. I'll go ahead and take out my little arrow. We could also hold at this level as well. At 5,250, this is a nice little support, but I did not actually draw. So, and momentum shifting towards the upside. But again, folks, wait for that confirmation. I'm waiting for that break and close above 5,500 or until we get down to about 5,000 Satoshis. But again, folks, this is just my personal opinion, not a financial advisor. But that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. Don't forget to re-steam, upvote, comment down below what kind of coins you guys are trying to see. I have a bunch of videos coming out for you guys. Just give me some time. I'm trying to respond to everyone's messages. It's taking me a minute. And plus, I'm working with some other guys, so give me a minute. I'm trying to get to you. Be patient, be patient, be patient. Other than that, guys, thanks for watching. Take it easy. Peace.